Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Fosak TV USA. Here's the breaking news. Black hole could be dark matter and may have existed since the beginning of the universe. How did supermassive black holes form? What is dark matter? In an alternative model for how the universe came to be. As compared to the textbook History of the Universe, a team of astronomers proposed that both of these cosmic mysteries could be explained by so-called primordial black holes. In the graphic, the focus is on comparing the timing of the appearance of the first black holes and stars, and is not mean to imply there are no black holes considered in the standard model. How did supermassive black holes form? What is dark matter? In an alternative model for how the universe came to be as compared to the textbook History of the Universe, a team of astronomers proposes that both of these cosmic mysteries could be explained by so-called primordial black holes. Nico Capilouti, University of Miami, Gunther Hasinger, ESS Science Director, and Priyambada Natarajan, Yale University, suggest that black holes existed since the beginning of the universe and that these primordial black holes could themselves be the as of yet unexplained dark matter. The new study is accepted the publication in the Astrophysical Journal. Black holes of different size are still a mystery. We don't understand how supermassive black holes could have grown so huge in the relatively short time available since the universe existed, explained Gunther Hasinger. At the other end of the scale, there might also be very small black holes as suggested by observation from ESS Gaia. For example, if they exist, they are too small to have formed from dying stars. Our study shows that without introducing new particles or new physics, we can solve mysteries of modern cosmology from the nature of dark matter itself to the origin of supermassive black holes, says Nico Capilouti. If most of the black holes formed immediately after the Big Bang, they could have started merging in the early universe, forming more and more massive black holes over time. ESS Future Gravitational Wave Space Observatory LISA might pick up the signals of those mergers if primordial black holes exist. Small black holes might simply be the primordial black holes that have not merged into larger ones yet. According to this model, the universe would be filled with black holes all over. Stars would start to form around these clumps of dark matter, creating solar systems and galaxies over billions of years. If the first stars indeed formed around primordial black holes, they would exist earlier in the universe than is expected by the standard model. Primordial black holes, if they do exist, could all be the seeds from which all black holes form, including the one at the center of Milky Way, and that's called Milky Way, says Priyambada Natarajan. Yes, Euclid mission, which will prove the dark universe in greater detail than ever before, could play a role in the quest to identify primordial black holes as the dark matter candidates. The upcoming NASA ESA CSA James Webb Space Telescope, a cosmic time machine looking back over more than 13 billion years, will further shed light on the mystery. If the first stars and galaxies already formed in the so-called dark ages, we should be able to see evidence of them, adds Gunther. Beyond this report, Fosak TV USA.